Hey, so you have an old antique chair sitting around your house, wood chair that you really like to use, but it's a little bit loose. I'm going to show you how to fix that chair. It's a simple project, so keep watching. Hey, Ray Ruthin here. Welcome back to the Woodcrafting Place, where we bring you woodworking knowledge to help you improve your time in the shop, to make it more efficient, more effective, and help you enjoy it more. You've got an old chair. It's loose, like I said. Maybe it wobbles like this. I'm going to show you what to do about that. Now, what you're going to need is you're going to need this product that you can get Amazon or wherever. It's called Chair RX by Bree Wax. The links will be down below, the affiliate links. That way you can go and get this stuff. This is a nice, really low viscosity glue that does more than just glue the wood together. It also gets into the fibers of the wood tenons, so that way it soaks in, helps them expand so they get tight in the joint. So along with that, not only are we going to show you how to tighten the joints, but we're going to show you how to avoid the dreaded wobbly chair. Take your soft mallet and you're just going to tap. Now, in case you're worried that, geez, if you take the whole chair apart, are you going to be able to get it back together correct? You don't need to take the chair apart. The key is just to gain access to the tenons. A small amount so you can get the glue syringe in there. Now you've seen we've drilled 2 holes from the side of each tenon and the top on each side of each one of the rails. That way there's plenty of room for the glue to soak in and allow the fibers of the wood to expand, give you a nice tight joint. The way to avoid the rocky chair syndrome. Now I'm using a strap clamp here. You could just put weight on it, whatever you have that's convenient. But put it on a nice flat surface. All right, so the back joints are done. Now you have to make sure that you clean your syringes with soap and water. That way they're ready to go next time you need them when you do the fronts. All right, so there we go. All right, we finished the one end. Now we gotta do the other. That way we get a nice, solid, glued up, strong chair that'll last another 110 years or whatever the age is. So. All right, so chair's all done. We've done both the front and the back. Remember, as you saw, we did the fronts first, and then we clamped and went back, did the back. That way it gives us a chance to make sure that it's nice and level. That way we can pull it down, and by doing the front to back, it gives us ability to level out the legs this way and this way, side to side. So, important tip for your process, make sure you do it that way. If you do it to the right or the left, you will not get the forward and back tip allowance in the clamp. So you got everything you need, so time to go tackle the chairs that have been lying around your house or in your workshop that need to be fixed. You're all set. So hope you learned something, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe if today's video helped you out, you learned something. If you want to see more, make sure you hit the bell. That way you get notified each week of all the content that we bring you. So until next time, we're just going to be sitting around, hanging out on our 100-year-old chair. Cheers. You have yourself a great day, and don't forget the affiliate links for the glue and tools will be down below. Enjoy.